Alright guys, check these panels out. These are freshly completed. We've been picking away at these guys for months. These are panels that do belong to us and they are for sale. They fit the 1987 to 1991 Ford trucks and Broncos. They are XLT for power, windows, and locks. They do not include the window switch bezels because we do not have any. Although if you do have some and you want them to match this nice, beautiful piano black finish trim and you purchase these, we can absolutely do that as an additional thing. These panels, just like everything in our shop, we dismantled them 100%. So the armrest went in the trash, the trim came off, the insert came off, these guys came off. We tossed the brushing, this came off, speaker grills came out, padding on the back went in the trash. We cleaned them, located every single piece of damage, including hairline cracks, scuffs, bigger damages, all that stuff. Properly repaired all of that stuff with structural reinforcement. All repair areas on the face of the panels have had new texture blended in during the coloring process. The lighting might show a little bit differently, but this is black. We recolored these in our standard black coloring that, unlike spray cans, does not chip, peel, crack, or wipe off with chemicals. We do have videos about this on our website. It's been proven many times to stand above the rest. The inserts, reupholstered. We did these nice channels here. This is genuine Alcantara suede in a dark charcoal color, so it's not like deep black, but it is a dark charcoal. It's more black than it is anything. The lighting in here is LED, so it's a little weird. Armrests, we custom made these guys from scratch in a beautiful European Nappa leather with black French seams. These two guys here were originally chrome. We cleaned those up really nicely, prepped them, and did a high gloss piano black finish that went through a 5-step cut and polishing process. Now it looks like poo with a little bit of the dust on there. These polished out really nice. New brushing in the handle holes. Oh, and here's this guy here. These guys came out and these got done as well. As I was saying, if whoever buys these, they want their window switch covers that go here, repaired and sanded down completely smooth and finished in the same type of finish. If you're the guy or gal that buys them, definitely just hit us up if that's something you're interested in. We can schedule a project like that for sure. New speaker cloth, new padding, everything completely repaired properly and structurally reinforced. These things are absolutely stunning, and we'll be thrilled to see them go to a new home. They've been taking up space for a very long time, and we finally did the last thing that they've been needing for many months to be able to list them for sale. They are located with their own dedicated product page right on our website, obsinteriors.com. Shipping is calculated at the checkout. Shipping is using our UPS commercial discount. So the website is set up to when you go to the checkout, you punch in your address, and it runs directly through our commercial UPS account using the package dimensions that I have already made for these, because these are already packed up by now by the time you guys are seeing this video. And if you live outside the continental United States, definitely hit us up, because the site's only, the way we set up the shipping to be exact for these, it's not going to hit up like Hawaii, Alaska, any of the islands or other countries. We can absolutely ship to them. So if you would like to purchase them and you live in anywhere outside the states, specifically continental, just hit us up directly. We'll get a separate shipping price for you right off the bat. And the shipping at the checkout also is set up with tons of insurance, enough to where if in the event anything bad ever happen and everything goes well with UPS, And the claims process, the customer won't have to worry about anything. We just handle everything internally directly with UPS. And I gotta say, these are definitely favorites. This is the only set we have. We will have one other panel listed shortly that has been taking up space for several years. And the other panel is going to be, it's a crew cab driver panel for an OBS. It's going to be ready for prepping and upholstery and all that, but uncolored. That way the customer can dictate all their color they want and everything. And it's just the one driver panel, but we're not showcasing that. And I want to make it very clear. We do not buy and sell interiors. This is stuff that we came across and kind of got stuck with probably 3 or 4 years ago. And in between customer projects, every several months, we'll do like one step to this stuff. And these panels and that one other panel is literally all we got. So please do not ask if and when we'll have more, because this is it. And these will be a beautiful finishing touch to somebody's interior. OBSinteriors.com. Pick these guys right up. You already know the extensive work that's already been done. Put these bad boys in your interior.